Hello guys, today's practice question is addition of two numbers. So whenever you want to solve any problem, first you need to think about how to solve this. So here we need to do addition of two numbers. So here first you have to take two numbers from user and then you have to do addition and then finally you have to show its result. So first step is take user input. Take user input. So how to take? So in Python, whenever you want to take input from user, you have to use input function. So I will take here one variable number1 is equal to, now I want to take input from user as integer number. So I will use here int function, and here I will use input. So this is prompt message to user. So enter a number, enter first number, we will enter first number, then again we will take number 2 is equal to int input, here prompt message will be enter second number, then once we got these two numbers we will do addition. So we will take variable like addition is equal to number1 plus number 2, because we have taken user input in these two variables. Now we got addition. Now we will print. So here we are taking first, we have taken user input, then we are doing addition here, then after addition we want to show result on the console. So there are multiple ways to show the result. I will use here f-string. Already we know how to use f-string. So f-string I will use. So I will take here addition. We have to use replacement operator here. Number 1 and number 2 is, I will take here what is the variable. In addition variable we have addition of these two numbers. So you have to save this and run this program. So you have to first enter number, like I am taking 20, then 100 I am taking, so it is 120. So in this way you can run this. For example, now I will give here some space. So your output must be readable. So I will take here 90 plus 25, so it is giving me 115. So in this way you can take input from user and do its addition and then finally writing its result on the console. There is other way of doing the same thing. So instead of doing addition here, so directly we can use f-string for addition. For how to do this, so we will do that. So print directly using f-string. So we already know that how to do this. Addition is, so we can directly give here number. We know that in f-string we can directly use expressions also. So addition is, so I will do, so we will run this code. So I will take here 90, 90. So here also 180 and here also I am getting 180. So this is one way. This is one way of getting addition of two numbers. Separately you have to do addition and you are using that variable here, or directly in f string you can use mathematical expression. This is also one way of doing addition. So there are multiple ways to solve one problem. So in this way we are done with addition of two numbers.